Oh yeah, so a couple days ago I made some beef curry with some rice, right? Right. So I still got some rice left over. I'm gonna put some chicken in here, put some potatoes, and just cook it. I already seasoned my chicken and it sat overnight. I just did salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. That's all I use. Salt, pepper, cayenne pepper. And my chicken. Hold on. Got my chicken in there. I'm gonna add just a little bit of soy sauce. And I forgot to turn the oven on. Alright, this is how it's looking. I'm gonna put this right in the oven. Alright, so let's check on it. I would cook on like 250 for like 30 minutes. I took me like that. Oh, look at my fucking lighter I was looking for. What the fuck? I was looking for this all for 2 weeks. That's crazy. Wait, let's look at this food. Okay. The flavor there. The flavor definitely there. But okay. So now I'm gonna just let it cook the top off. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of pepper on top for some color. They do shit. Alright, that's cool. Complete. Now I'm going to cook for the rest with the top off. Oh yeah, by the way, I cooked this with no water. I just put the rice and chicken, potatoes. And it's done. It's just light skin, y'all. Just cause it look raw and like that color don't mean it's not done. It's done. But yeah, I wanna be like a little darker though. Let me check the bottom. This how the bottom look. My shit done. I'm gonna turn the oven off and let it cook.